Getting money off of your H&R Block Emerald Card is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To start, you need to have an H&R Block Emerald Card, which is a prepaid debit card that can be used to receive your tax refund or other funds. First, ensure you have the card and it is activated. If you have not activated your card, you can do so by calling the phone number on the back of the card or by visiting the H&R Block website. Next, you can withdraw cash from your Emerald Card at any ATM that accepts MasterCard, which is the network that the Emerald Card uses. Be aware that some ATMs may charge a fee for this service, so it is a good idea to look for ATMs that are surcharge-free. Another way to get money off of your Emerald Card is to use it to make purchases at retailers, either online or in person. The card can be used anywhere MasterCard is accepted, and you can also use it to pay bills or make payments online. You can also transfer funds from your Emerald Card to your bank account. To do this, you will need to log in to your Emerald Card account online or through the mobile app. Then select the Transfer Funds option and follow the prompts to complete the transfer. It is also possible to get cash back when you make a purchase at certain retailers, such as grocery stores or pharmacies, that offer this service. When you are checking out, let the cashier know that you would like to get cash back and they will guide you through the process. To keep track of your Emerald Card balance and transaction history, you can log into your account online or through the mobile app. This will also allow you to monitor your account for any suspicious activity and report it to H&R Block if necessary. In summary, getting money off of your H&R Block Emerald Card can be done by withdrawing cash at an ATM, using the card to make purchases, transferring funds to your bank account, or getting cash back at certain retailers. By following these steps and being mindful of any fees that may be associated with these services, you can easily access the funds on your Emerald Card.